In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to install Intellij IDEA on Linux operating system. So in Google search box, write there Intellij IDEA. Then go on this jetpens.com site. Then after here, you can get this page, IDEA for professional developer in Java and Kotlin. Let's click on this download. And this you can get there, two files, ARM and this .gz file. Let's click on this download. The file is now downloading. The size is 1.7 GB. Thereafter, the next is JDK must be installed. So let's open their terminal. Now this place going to check their Java version. So Java version 24 is there. It's already installed. And now Java is working, Java C also working. So this is now working there. Okay, so first you need to download and install this JDK. Then you can use the Intellij IDEA. So now let's see the status. So this will take some time, so that I'm going to pause the video. File that's download completed. Let's click on this so in folder. Then right click there, extract this file. So here the file is now extracting. Here you can see this is currently preparing to extract. So now here the new directory that's open there with the name IDEA U 2025.2. So currently this is extracting. The file size 1.8 GB. Let's click on this open. Here IDEA open, then bin, and then you can get this all. So simply you need to click on this IDEA. So double click on this IDEA, and here Intellij IDEA is now opening there. So let's click on this escape, and here new project. So this here loading the project. Since I already have this JDK, so that this taken automatically, let's get there Java underscore Java 1. You can create there project Kotlin, Java, Groovy. Now simply you need to click on this create, and here you can see this is now loading the project. So this is loading TypeScript, JavaScript. You can see this all loading the Angular, remote, view. Process that's completed. Let's click on this or run. So this is the run main.java project. So this build succeeded, and according to given code, that's returning the output. So system.out.print hello and welcome. This displaying there. Then I value start from 1 and printing 1 by 1, and the condition 5, so that till 5 times. So this is how we can install